Previously on No Turns Variety Hour.
That's why I got invented coffee. A whole lot of sitting around and waiting. This isn't the first time I've been in Florida on this trip. Man, there's a lot of signs coming into Florida. Downtown Pensacola. Pretty nice. This place smells like spring break. I can smell the ocean air. But you'll have to wait till part 4 to see that. I'm at the Naval Aviation Museum in Pensacola, Florida. It's a nice free museum located on the naval base, highlighting Navy aircraft from the dawn of aviation to the modern era. I took a ton of video, but I'm only able to upload so much of it, so you'll have to pay them a visit if you're interested in seeing more. Now this section I thought was very fascinating. This is all World War II aircraft, helicopters, and whatnot. And I did like this stair step that they usually use to load onto the aircraft. And they have it placed so you can walk onto the balcony, the second floor, which has probably one of the most interesting parts of the whole museum up here. This part is related to spacecraft, and this seems to be the bottom of a blimp or airship. Not sure what you'd call it. This one says it's a ghost ship. Here's me. And here's me after some more crawfish. Now this is some of the more interesting parts of the museum. This really doesn't have much to do with aircraft per se, but they do have a lot of mock-ups and recreations of a lot of naval facilities, and in this instance a bar in the Pacific Theater. Looks like what some of the GIs had back when they were out in, I'm guessing, Japan or somewhere else in the Pacific. Very nice signs. I like the price list on there and the pin-up girls on the wall. This is a market in any town USA, basically, just showing what they had available during the war. A lot of stuff was rationed, so you have maybe higher prices than you'd probably like. But there wasn't too much stuff available during the war because a lot of it, had to go to the war effort. And I just like how all the cans are lined up over there, the old-time cash register. Wow, what a trip. Heading back. Just had to get gas over there and breakfast at the one and only Beaver gas station. And imagine this, it's raining now. The whole entire trip it was threatening to rain, and now it just starts raining. I don't think it's gonna go the whole way home, but so my next stop is something a little off the beaten path, but not too much off the beaten path. Going to Jimmy Buffett's childhood house, and that's in Pascagoula, Mississippi, which is about an hour and a half away from here. So unless it's pouring rain, that'll be our next stop. So we'll see you there. All right, we got the tunnel coming up. I didn't see it last time on camera, but now I got it. It goes underneath downtown Mobile. And last time I came down here, my windows down, and of course some show-off had to rev his engine. And of course it's real loud under here, but not today. Not today, my friend. It's a nice tunnel. It's not like a straight flat tunnel. It just goes down, down. Now we're at the lowest point. Going back up. And I'm not sure what's above this tunnel, that they need a tunnel here. I guess they couldn't fit that many bridges in the middle of downtown, but and just like that, the tunnel's over. Pretty cool though. I love a good tunnel. All right, made it to Jimmy Buffett's childhood house. Fairly unremarkable. I don't think you can go in. It's pretty small, and it's also raining out. This is also like a pretty quiet neighborhood, so I don't want to make too big of a fuss, but yeah, that's it. Just a nice little side adventure. I don't know if any of my viewers are Parrot Heads, but if you're in the area, definitely stop off for a little bit of history, but don't go out of your way to come here, unless you're like a Parrot Head or something. But on to the next stop. I'm basically going home by now. If I see anything along the way, I'll take a picture, I'll get a video, but just my luck. For the past half hour, I've been sitting in not one, but two traffic jams on I-10 in Louisiana, just west of Baton Rouge. And it's one thing to be stuck in a traffic jam, which sucks on its own. It's another thing when you have to pee, which I do right now, and I don't even know if there's a gas station or anything. And I'm still stuck in this traffic jam, and I've got at least a couple more minutes. Oh, thank God, I hope that's the end of it. But two in a row. Louisiana, what the hell are you doing? Why are you driving like this? Can you put down the phone or do something or learn to drive? I don't know. Stop crashing on the interstate. Well, the weather finally cleared up, but it also got really hot, really humid. So easy driving for the rest of the drive, hopefully. Just about to leave Louisiana. I'm actually crossing over the river right now into Texas. And that is it. Oh, Texas right here. Yeah. That's it for the trip. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like and subscribe. And catch me in the next video. Bye now.